Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out a handy kitchen gadget, the TUCO Portable Range Hood Countertop Exhaust Fan, Gray. If you cook indoors, especially with barbecue, hot pot, or frying, and don't have a built-in hood, this portable range hood is designed to help clear smoke, grease, and odors quickly and conveniently. One of the best features is its 5-layer filtration system, which combines multiple aluminum mesh filters with activated carbon to trap smoke, oil, and cooking fumes before circulating cleaner air back into your space. That means fewer lingering odors and a fresher kitchen environment. You also get 3 adjustable fan speeds, so you can switch between light ventilation for everyday cooking or stronger airflow when frying or grilling. It's powerful enough to handle indoor barbecue smoke while still running relatively quietly, great for apartments, dorms, RVs, or small kitchens. The design is compact and portable, with no installation required. Just plug it in, place it on your countertop near your cooktop, and you're ready to go. There's also an oil collection cup that catches grease particles, making cleanup simple and mess-free after cooking. Overall, the TUCO Portable Range Hood Countertop Exhaust Fan, Gray, is a practical and easy-to-use solution if you need smoke removal, odor control, and improved air quality without a full kitchen hood. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.